This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Mary Parsons. Immaculate home. Main level master suite. 2 more bedrooms, full bath and bonus upstairs. Hardwood and great room and dining area. Open floor plan. 9-foot ceilings. Large kitchen with granite, tile floor, stainless steel appliances and pantry. Over half-acre lot. One of the largest lots in the subdivision. Large patio off great room and master bedroom. Covered with a pergola makes this home a great place to entertain. Gas heat and 2-car garage. Convenient to Oak Ridge, downtown, shopping, schools, hospitals and interstate. Hearth Bumper does not convey. For more information, review the details below or contact Mary Parsons at 86